we have an array of integers, or it could be even characters. Let it be integer buffer, each has a value. We want to find the maximum value a cell has and return that pointer to the maximum to the cell that has the maximum value. That's what we are going to write a program in this. So how you know how to pass an array, and you know how to pass uh, the number of elements, right? And the function will find the cell that has the maximum value and return the pointer. Okay, let's go. So let's copy that we wrote, copy return to return max.c. Okay, so return, oops, sorry, return max. So first we don't it's a integer size of the array. We can have integer buffer. Let's make it a character integer buffer, return a pointer integer star. All right, we don't need size. Okay, and how would you find the maximum? Let's say integer maximum equal to -1. Let's say minus, in this case -1. So how do I find that out? SBI greater than max, right? Here we'll just store for now index. For now we need to store what? Index equal to I, and we also have to store maximum equal to that, right? All right, so you have that, so we have, so initially we are going through the array, and find the index. We need to find the index where the maximum is, go over the entire stuff and store that I somewhere. In our case we are saying count, or what is that thingy we used, index. So we store the index where the maximum occurs, right? We're not worried about the maximum value, we only want the pointer. So we do that, and we store the index, and at the end, so this one should be out, right? Once you are done, you need to return the address of the index, right? We send the end. This is one way of writing. The other way of writing is, you probably didn't that, okay, another version which we talked about it. So SB is the initial pointer that we send, and we are sending index SB, that is the pointer to the first index plus the actual index where the maximum store. All right, so this is what the function does. Find max pointer or whatever it is. Okay, and we need to change this integer array. Let's say input array 8 equal, let's say 20, 30, 10, 90, 60, 30, 40, 70, say 35. Okay, we got the array and we need integer pointer, and we send maximum pointer, find max pointer. That's what we did. We need to send IA, we need to send the size, which is 8, right? And it matches, right? We are sending the index pointer address, it matches the integer pointer because this is integer buffer, and we also return and store it in the pointer. So now we need to print it, %d, and what should be here? It's a pointer. If you want to print the value, it is dereference. So let's see if we can get this going. GCC return max. Oops, too many errors. 21, 23, and 23. Pointer undefined, blah, blah, blah. Let's go and figure it out. 21. All right, so we need to put a, that is missing. Okay, I don't know what happened to that. All right, no errors, we fixed it. Okay, so it's supposed to print 90, so we got that. All right, 90, where is it? That's the one. Our function found out the maximum value and the index, and it sent me the pointer, and we printed. Okay, so see the difference between printing a pointer with a string we saw in the previous example, printing it with a integer, right? So that solves this problem.